Okay, open lang natin ang BPI account. Okay, hintay-hintay. And then, dito tayo sa payload. Punta tayo sa e-wallet para mas mababa lang yung charge. So, click natin ang from account natin and to GCash. Yung reference number is yung number natin sa GCash natin or phone number. Type lang natin. Then, continue. So, I will try to transfer 400. Yan po, meron lang siyang service charge na 10 pesos pag e-wallet ang ginamit natin. Let's confirm. And then, itong problema. So, itry natin i-fix. Dahil forever lang siyang ganito. Okay, so let's cancel the request. And then, let's leave this page. So, let's click the more. And then, let's go sa general settings. Click natin. At makikita nyo merong security. And then, under that, mayroong mobile key. So, let's activate this for enhanced security. So, yes. And then, activate mobile key for easier transactions. So, no more one-time pins, just your biometrics or nominated pin to approve transactions in the app. So, you'll be asked to allow notifications from this app. So, choose activate. So, allow lang natin. So, ayan, meron siyang instruction. So, auto start. So, allow auto start. For this feature to work properly, you need to enable auto start for instant and reliable notifications. So, go to your device settings and allow it. Okay, let's allow it. Okay, and then go back. Okay, mobile key, nominate your PIN code. Okay, so let's nominate a PIN code. So let's re-enter. Okay, to make sure it's you, we'll ask for an OTP or one-time password. Okay. So one-time PIN. So yes, send me the code. Magsisend yung BPI. So let's wait. Okay. So the one-time passcode is okay. Let's confirm. Okay, so BPI said your mobile key is now activated. So let's, do you want to use biometrics? Yes, so enable lang natin ang biometrics, pero depende pa rin sa iyo if you are going to enable your biometrics. So, mobile key is successfully activated. So, maybe try to click as the same ng ginawa ko para maging fully ang work ng mobile key. So, ulitin lang natin ang ginawa natin. Okay? So, let's go to e-wallet. Okay, ulitin lang natin yung ginawa natin kanina. GCash. Then, reference number again, your mobile number in your GCash. Okay, continue. And then, let's put the amount. Okay, so optional lang man yung note. Continue. So, total of 410. So, let's confirm. Okay, so we are going to enter the mobile key that we set this in our BPI. So, touch the fingerprint. So, you put your fingerprint or your biometrics. Okay, so Gcash already notified that I received 400. Okay, so that's it.